Today, I am thrilled to share with you 3 powerful techniques for crafting engaging LinkedIn posts. So let's jump right in. Hello everyone and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1, start with a compelling hook. First up, start your LinkedIn post with a compelling hook that grabs the attention and piques curiosity. Your post's first few sentences are crucial for capturing the interest of your audience and enticing them to read more. Pose a thought-provoking question, share an interesting statistic, or tell a compelling story that resonates with your audience. Tip 2, provide value and insights. Next, provide value and insights that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. LinkedIn users are looking for valuable content that helps them solve problems, learn something new, or stay informed about the industry trends. Share your expertise, insights, and experiences to position yourself as a trusted authority in your field. Offer practical tips, actionable advice, or industry insights that provide real value to your audience. Tip 3, encourage conversation and engagement. Lastly, encourage conversation and engagement with your LinkedIn posts. The true power of LinkedIn lies in the ability to facilitate meaningful conversations and connections. Ask open-ended questions, invite opinions and perspectives, and encourage your audience to share their thoughts and experiences in the comments. Respond promptly to comments and engage with your audience to foster a sense of community and build relationships. Well, there you have it, 3 ways to craft engaging LinkedIn posts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here with more LinkedIn tips and tricks every single week. Need more guidance or have specific questions? Reach out via email or our live chat on the website. Until next time, happy posting, and I'll see you on LinkedIn. Catch you in the next video. Bye!